Long time no see. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Today is my birthday and it's 6:19. I need to be ready by 6:50 because I need to drive to my boyfriend's house so we can go to dinner. And I don't know where we're going. I'm there for the ride. I want to get back into the swing of things. And when I say swing of things, I mean like actually making content. I think that I have been having a hard time as to like, what is my purpose in YouTube, in the YouTube space? I think when I first started, I was kind of following like what everybody else was doing. And now I just feel like I need to figure out like, what does Paige want to do? Okay, so sorry. I had to get to a space where I knew that it's 6:40, oh my gosh. Or I knew that I would have time to do all this other stuff. But yeah, I've just been having a hard time just like really figuring out what I want to do when it comes to YouTube. I know I want to be on YouTube. I love YouTube. I love making videos. I love making content. However, I don't really know what my actual identity on YouTube is. And I think I'm just giving myself a really hard time about it. But it's been eating at me, which is why I haven't really been able to put anything out. You know, I love making those athleisure wear videos. I feel like those do great. But outside of that, I don't really have anything else. I'm not like a makeup guru. I don't know what I'm interested in. So that's where I'm at. But I mean, other than that, like I'm healthy, I'm well. I mean, like life has been good. I don't know. I just feel like, you know, I'm at a space where I'm like finding myself, if you will. Like what does Paige want? What does Paige like? What does Paige want to do? I'm excited to just kind of figure it out. I feel like this is a start, understanding, you know, talking to the camera again, or learning how to talk to the camera again. This is fun. Learning how to let people see you in a vulnerable state, which would be like me with no makeup and stuff like that. And really just making my life a little bit more interesting, because I feel like I haven't been doing anything. And when I say I haven't been doing anything, I mean that. This camera is like about to die. Okay, so this is my dress. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for the birthday. Okay, what are we thinking? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? It's cute. I'm gonna wear these shoes with it. But before I do that, actually, let me put my shoes on. Let's put the shoes on. Okay. And then the next thing is I want to look so delicious. You know what I mean? Like, I want to look, can y'all even see me? Like, I don't know how to use this thing. I want to look so delicious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this and we're gonna go in. Like, it's fine. Like, I need to look. Zhuzh the hair up a little bit more. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Kind of pick this out a little bit. For perfume, I'm gonna go with this. My man got this for me. I'm trying to like incorporate things that he gets me, so you know, he knows like I actually use them. So we're gonna smell like this. I feel like it matches the vibe. Okay. All right. What do y'all think? We're headed to dinner. I don't feel like I got to show you guys like my outfit, like the full outfit, but it's okay. I'm gonna get some good pictures. I don't know where we're going. I think now I can know, or no. Okay, I can't know now, but I'm really excited, and it's Italian, which is my favorite. Yeah, I am super excited. It's been a really good day. I did not get to tell y'all while I was getting dressed that we went to go get massages, and I actually haven't had a massage ever in my life, and that was, I feel like as soon as I got the massage, like my whole mood was different. Like I even thought about all the birthday freebies I was supposed to get, so we went to Starbucks to get my free drink and a nothing but cake. So if it's your birthday, don't forget about your freebies and get a massage. Like that was like amazing. But yeah, we're about to head to the restaurant, and I can't wait to see you guys there.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I regret. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. 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 I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My high brought my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I regret. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you.
Okay, so I wanted to basically come back because I know I didn't end the video for my birthday. I wanted to just come back and let you guys know that it was a really fantastic day. I really felt loved and appreciated just from my family and my boyfriend, all of that, from everyone, and it was really nice. Right now, we're about to go to the mall. I have like a little Nike coupon that I want to use, so I want to kind of get some more shoes for the gym. But yeah, I had a really amazing birthday. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate you guys just, you know, still being here. I know I don't post consistently, so I just appreciate your view. I appreciate you guys, and I am looking forward to learning and growing more, and just you guys being able to follow along on the journey. I feel like I'm in a space where I feel a little bit more comfortable filming again. I'm better mentally as well, just to be able to do so. So I'm excited. Hopefully I'll be able to get, you know, do shorts and all of that other stuff that I truly desire to do. But for now, even just vlogging, making memories, I think that's really important to me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my July vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, but also don't forget to watch it. and I'll see you next time. Bye.